Hello, welcome to my channel. We are getting news from Durban. It's very, very cold. And we got a perfect recipe for all of y'all to make for this cold weathers. And that is a spicy Mexican soup with beans and corn. This is a very easy recipe and it can be made in a very short amount of time because we are using mostly things from can. So my ingredients are, I'm going to use a generous splash of olive oil for braising, and here I have one medium-sized onions that I sliced, and then I'm using a can of chopped tomatoes. I'm using a can of 4 beans mix, and I'm using a can of red kidney beans. I also have a tablespoon of tomato puree to go with, a cup of frozen sweet corn. We are going to use a teaspoon of jeera powder and a teaspoon of dhania powder. And we have 6 cloves of whole garlic, which we will grate, and a teaspoon of heaped fine salt, but we will taste along the way. A generous grind of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is going to be a spicy soup, but if you want it less spicy, you can leave out the cayenne pepper. For my stock, I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of stock powder to a liter of boiling water. And then here I have lovely spring onions, which the bottom I'll slice and use in the braising, and the leafy part for garnishing. A squeeze of lemon juice, and then to garnish some lovely fresh dhania, and then to serve a splash of fresh cream. So let's get started with the braising. I've got my stove on moderate heat and I'm using a deep pot. I'm going to pour in my olive oil. This is about a 1/4 cup. I'm going to put in my onions. To my onions, I'm going to add in the roots of my spring onions. I'll allow this to cook out soft. Now my onions have turned golden brown, so I'm going to throw in my crushed garlic to it and give this a nice mix. A generous grind of black pepper, a teaspoon of my dhania powder, a teaspoon of my jeera powder, and here I have a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to add it into the oil. Give this a nice mix. My spices are cooked out, so I'm going to throw in my tablespoon of puree and my can of tomato. I'll give this a nice mix and allow the tomato to cook out. 10 minutes has passed, and as you can see, my tomatoes are cooked out. When we are braising, we also can use dry chillies for braising or green chillies. I forgot my green chillies because This is my green chilies that I cut from my garden and it's in the freezer. That's the reason why I forgot. So I'll just add it in now. I drained my can of beans and now I'm gonna throw it in to my chutney. Here's my can of mixed beans. I'm also going to throw it in to the pot. And together I'm also going to throw in my cup of frozen corn. I'll give this a nice mix. I'm going to add in my teaspoon of salt. And I also got a pinch of sugar that I didn't mention. This is to cut the acidity of the tomatoes. I will allow this a few minutes and then pour in my stock. 5 minutes has passed for my beans and corn simmering. To this, I'm going to add in my stock that I made. 4 teaspoons of stock powder to a liter of boiling water. And our stock has its own salts. So that's why you must be careful of using salt. I will allow this to come to the simmer. Another 10 minutes has passed. And now you can see how nice and thick the soup has come and quite rich. Now I'm ready to squeeze in some juice of my lemon. It's best if you have some fresh lime, you can use the lime. The juice of half a lemon was enough. Give it a nice stir. I am ready to garnish my soup with the lovely fresh dhania and my spring onion. I'm going to switch my stove off and then I'm ready to serve. This soup has taken about an hour to cook. But if you are prepared, you can go in the less time. Because we were showing for the YouTube, it took us an hour. Now I am ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely Mexican spicy soup made with beans and sweet corn. Today we are serving it with a splash of olive oil, a splash of fresh cream, and a handful of mini nacho chips on top. This can also go very well with some lovely toasted buttered bread. Pranesh loves his nacho chips because he always make his nachos in the air fryer. I will get him to link the recipe to y'all. I hope y'all try this recipe, which is hearty and warming and very quick to make. To all our viewers, you can beat the cold with this lovely spicy Mexican soup. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.